Hello everyone. So today we are going to see tags of JSP programming. So first one is scripting tags. In the scripting tags we can see scriptlet expression and declaration. So first we will see about scriptlet. So the code placed in the scriptlet goes to the underscore JSP service method of Java equivalent servlet class as it is. So after running the JSP program, that will be converted internally into the servlet program. So that will be the Java equivalent servlet. So whatever code we will place in this scriptlet, that will go to the Java equivalent servlet class underscore JSP service method. In that method that code will go. Then this tag is useful for placing a business logic or request processing logic in the JSP page, right? Then the standard syntax of scriptlet is this. Then XML syntax is under JSP colon scriptlet, and this is closing. Now let us see in the Eclipse this example. So first I have created here a JSP project. You can also create a, what we can do is right click on this new, then go to the dynamic project. Here we can write a project name and go next and finish, right? So I have created here a dynamic web project, that is JSP proj 1. Then this JSP file, let me delete. Okay, then you will get the dynamic web project. In that project what we can do, this will be the, then go to the src, then in the src you can see main. In main you can see web apps. In web apps this, now right click on this web apps, then go to the new. After click on new, go to JSP file. Then here we will create first .jsp, then finish. So our first .jsp created. This is first .jsp. Now let us take first example. This is our first example. Then here we will write. So this is a bold tag. This is HTML tag, right? This is BR for breaking the line. Now if we want to write a Java code in the JSP page, we'll use here a scriptlet tag. So in this scriptlet tag we can write our Java code. So I have write here int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20, and we will print out.println result equals to a plus b. Now out is the implicit object given by JSP, so we can print result on the browser. Now let us see. So before running this project, you must configure the Tomcat with the, or any web server with the Eclipse ID. I am not doing it because I have already done. So what we will do, right click on this project, then run on server. In this I am using Tomcat 9. Then next, then remove, then click on finish. Okay, so what we can see is encountering problem. So the server has started. Earlier I was getting the error. I have solved that error. So here we can see server is started. Now in the browser, here we can see localhost 3030 JSP proj 1. We can see the project name JSP proj 1, and this is the port number of my Tomcat server. Then at here we will write, what we will write, first .jsp, our JSP page name. Then click here. Here we can see welcome to JSP and result is 30. What we have written in the JSP page, welcome to JSP, is displayed on the screen, and out.println result equal to a plus b, that is 30. Now in this, what we have learned is this code is placed in scriptlet, goes to underscore JSP service method of the Java equivalent servlet class. Now how can we see this Java equivalent servlet class? What we have to do for a Java equivalent servlet class, you can go to the project where you have saved. I have saved in G drive. in this folder. In this we can see the different projects of our Eclipse ID with what we have created. Here we can see JSP Projon. In that, wherever you save that equivalent to JSP Projon, here we can see metadata. Go to the metadata. In the metadata, go to the plugins. In the plugins, what we can search for is org.eclipse.server. Where is server? Here you can see org.eclipse.wst.server.core. Click on this, and in this we can see temp 0. Click on this, and in that we can see work. Go to work, then Catalina, then localhost, then what is our project, JSP Prozone. Click on this, then go to the org, then Apache, then JSP. Then here you can see this is a Java JSP equivalent servlet class. Let me open this class, and here we go. This is our class. What is class name? First underscore JSP. So we are discussing what that JSP page will be converted into equivalent servlet class. So this is our class. Here you can see first underscore JSP, right? Then in that, whatever code we have written in the scriptlet will goes to underscore JSP service method. So let me go to this method and search for underscore JSP service method. So here you can see at the line 79 we can see underscore JSP service method, right? And in that, whatever I have explained, the implicit object out to print. Here you can see the implicit object out. Here you can see, right? The next thing is whatever HTML code. Here you can see HTML code is converted into the Java code out.write, right? Then here you can see in the underscore JSP service whatever we have declared. Here you can see int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20, and result is out.println. Yes, right? Whatever we have written in the JSP page is going to underscore JSP service method inside underscore JSP service method, right? So this is the way we can run this JSP page. Now next example we'll see. First example is done. Now next we will see this example. Go to the Eclipse, and in this example we will print the browser name. So bold tag is welcome to JSP, then BR for breaking the line. Then we can see browser name, request.getHeader user agent. So request is implicit object present in underscore JSP service method. With the help of this we can find the browser name on which we are running this program. Then we will print out.println. Out is the implicit object, out.println browser name. Now let us go to the browser and refresh this. Here you can see browser name Mozilla 5 Windows 64. Here you can see the browser name, right? The next example we will see. In the scriptlet we can call the method, but we cannot define a method because the Java doesn't support nested methods. So let us see this example. So let me paste here. So here we will get error because we can't define one method in another method, because we after defining this method, this JSP page is internally converted into Java equivalent servlet. So this code will go into the underscore JSP service method. So in the inside method, this method is not allowed. So let us go to our browser and let us see what will be our error. It is refreshing. Refresh. I think I have not saved this. Let me save this. Now go to refresh. Here you can see status 500 internal server error. Illegal modifier for the variable. So we are defining in the method, but it is taking as a variable sum. Only final is permitted. So it is not allowed to define a method inside a scriptlet tag. Also we can see in our Java JSP equivalent servlet class, here you can see our method is coming here. So this method is inside our underscore JSP service. So method inside method is not possible. That's why it is giving us error. Now next example we will see class with the modifier. What if we want to see for class? Go to the Eclipse and in the JSP we'll write here class. Let us go to the browser and refresh. Here we will get another error. Illegal modifier for the local class test, only abstract and or final is permitted. So in the scriptlet tag we can define a class, but that class must not have the access modifier, that is public, private, protected and default. We will get error if we write this class with the access modifier, but we can write a class with the abstract and final. So let me see abstract. Go to the browser. Here we'll write abstract class. Now let us save this and let us refresh. So here we can see we will not get here error. So abstract and final class we can define. So in the here we can see in this servlet we can see abstract class test. Now next example we will see interfaces are also not allowed in the scriptlet tag. Let us see. Let us copy this. Go to the Eclipse. Let me define here interface. Let us go to the browser. Let's refresh. Here you can see internal server error. The member interface test cannot be defined inside a top level class or interface or in a static constant. So in the scriptlet we can't define a interface. So next we'll see the example of XML syntax. So let me copy this. Now we will use here XML syntax. In this we will take here example int equal to 10 and we will print here a square value a into a. So our output what we can get here 10 into 10 is 100. So let me save this. Go to the browser. Let me refresh and here we can see square value is 100. Now let us see JSP equivalent servlet. Yes, and in this JSP equivalent servlet we can see our code is reflecting here int equal to 10 and out.println, right? Now let us take another example. So this is very important example, and in this we can see, so here we are using less than operator, but in this what JSP do, this less than symbol it consider as a open tag and it will throw a error. Now let me save this and go to the browser and let's refresh this. Here we go. Here we can see the internal server error org.apache jasper unterminated, that is less than symbol, right? So less than symbol is not available. What is the solution for this? So the first solution is, for using this less than symbol, we'll write a standard syntax. This percentile, copy this, and here we go. This is our standard syntax. Now let us see what we'll go here, then go to here, and let us refresh. So here we can see true. So we can solve this problem by using standard syntax. Also in the XML syntax also we can solve. Let me copy this. How can we solve this? Go to the Eclipse, and here we go. In this we are getting the error. Let's just see again. Refresh. Here you can see error. So for this we have one solution. Solution 1 is use the standard syntax. We have used this. Now let us go for the second solution, that is best solution. We can use this C data. So the body under JSP scriptlet indicates that the body content taken as ordinary text content and no XML meaning should be applied. XML tag body can be C data and P data. C data means character data, no XML meaning will be applied, and P C data means pass character data, XML meaning will be applied. So let us use this C data, copy this, Eclipse. So in this we can write here, and let us close this. Now let us go to the browser and refresh. So here we can see it is working, result is true. So while dealing with this less than in the JSP scriptlet, that is XML syntax, we must use this C data. So it will taken it as an operator, right? Now in the same JSP we can use both the XML syntax and the scriptlet standard. Let us see. Let's copy this, go to the Eclipse, and here we will write both the XML and standard. This is the XML way and this is standard way. Int b equal to 20, and we will print here a sum. Let me save this, go to the browser and refresh. Here we can see sum is 30. So we can use this both in one JSP page. Next, nested scriptlet tags are not allowed, that is scriptlet inside scriptlet is not allowed. Go to the browser, here we will see JSP scriptlet, and here we are using nested. Let us see what will happen. Refresh, we will get error. So nested scriptlet is not allowed. Next, so these are the example about scriptlet tag. So in the next video we will see about expression tag, and in that next we will see about declaration tag.